This is the Red Supreme iPhone case that we requested. So this is a collaboration and around 2 weeks natin hinintay ito. So yesterday is na-unpack na natin and na-upload na natin yung video with this one. So now we are making a review on it. Kasi minsan, there's a time na gusto mong maging maging hype beast. So if you don't know, hype beast is yung isang well-known na brand or yung parang community nila doon sa US. I'm not sure if that's correct. So correct me if I'm wrong sa comment. Pero may fina-follow ko sila sa Instagram, no. So ito, mayroon silang mga nire-release or may mga chosen brand si hype beast na yun yung nagpapa-hype beast ng mismong brand. For example, Supreme, meron niyang bag, may chair. Alam yon, minsan kasi gusto mo magkaroon ng ganon. So, this one, sobrang eye-catchy niya sa ibang tao. Since yung mga friends natin sinasabi, oh, wow, naka-Supreme. Since it's red and may soup na name. So, natuto rin Supreme. Pero, gets na kasi yan, no? Since isang check mo lang, parang Coca-Cola. Isang check mo lang, malalaman mo na, Supreme yung case na yan. Or Supreme yung brand na yan. So, this is really a must-have kapag gusto mo once in a while na kagamit ka ng mga hype beast na items, right? Kasi mga collections yun or collectible yun eh. So pwedeng magtaas yung value, tumaas yung value, or pwede ring bumaba. But for me, collecting or using this one is really exciting kasi minsan hindi naman nila alam or magugulat ka na nagsabi, uy, angas ng casing mo. So that's it for now. So kaya wala akong phone kasi kaya ako gumamit ng rear camera kasi yung ni-request natin with our sponsor is for iPhone 13 Pro Max natin. So that is what I'm using kapag nag-video. So if you have any question, leave your comment down below, and if you want to try it, maraming colorways ito, no? Hindi lang siya red, may black, may green, may pink. So you can check the yellow basket and order yours now.